And is this actually replacing kind of basic e-discovery review? Is this a substitute in terms of determining what documents are relevant or what documents might be privileged?
E-discovery is your relativities, your logicals, Everlog, et cetera. And you would only approach these vendors if you have a case with millions and millions of
Hmm.
documents generally. And the goal of e-discovery is to find relevancy in these documents. And so what Autodoc does is it gives you the promise of e-discovery where you're eliminating document review or streamlining it a lot for the 99% of cases that don't warrant that kind of labor and lift. And it's because of that, it's also better than e-discovery. So if you put in page document in Autodoc and a 10,000 page document in e-discovery, you're going to be spending hours and hours in that e-discovery platform, and it's only going to tell you relevance. But with Autodoc, we skip relevance because if a document is responsive to a request for production, it is relevant. It's
Hmm.
harder to find responsiveness than it is relevancy. So we're able to skip the entire relevancy analysis by only collecting the documents that are responsive to the request. And because of that, we have things that TAR or AI e-discovery can't do. Like we can find a needle in the haystack where if you have 10,000 pages and there's only one doc that's responsive, we'll find that one doc. We can also tell you if there are no documents in the production, and then you can collect that document from the client or click a button explaining why you can't produce that document. Whereas TAR or e-discovery, they can give you confidence intervals where they say, here's 10,000 documents that we're 70% sure are not relevant. That does not imbue me with a lot of confidence. And as an attorney, I would still look through those documents almost certainly.
Yeah, you've spoken like a true former litigator, that as I know you are, in terms of explaining the difference between relevance and responsiveness, because they are different, and I'm not sure all attorneys always understand that, and that's an important difference.